If you would like to know how to achieve this 90s nail design, just keep watching. First thing is first, make sure you have the right tools. Grab a striping brush that is extremely long. The longer the striping brush, the easier it will be to achieve those finer lines. Not only that, but when you're dipping your striping brush into the gel paint, you want to drag it off just a little bit because you don't want too much paint on your brush. If it's too much paint on your brush, the lines are going to be extremely thick and you don't want that. Then you want to go ahead, drag your brush gently, lightly. Another key to fine lines is having a light hand at all times. It's not necessarily your tools, but the technique. Keep a light hand when you're doing any type of line work, and it will always turn out the way you want it to each and every time. Not only that, but with gel paint, in order for it to not look like it's smearing, you always want to cure, then draw, cure, then draw in your LED lamp just to keep those lines nice and fine. Also, make sure you're breathing. I know it's nail techs, we're perfectionists, we like it to be perfect, but I promise you, overthinking is not going to make it look any better. Breathe, stay calm, keep that light hand. If you're worried that your hands are too shaky to do any type of line work, they're actually not. You always want to hold your striping brush the same way you hold your acrylic brush or your nail drill. You always use your pinky to balance when you're holding those things. You want to use your pinky to balance your hand when you're doing any line work. As you can see how my pinky is kind of resting either on the tabletop or on my other hand, so that my hand isn't super shaky and it's nice and steady so that I can really create those lines. So use that pinky to balance. So once you achieved the desired amount of lines that you would like to have, next, go ahead and grab something that has a ball point. If you don't have any dotting tools, like I didn't have in my case, grab anything that has a ball point, meaning the end of it forms into a ball. So that can be something like a toothpick, a pen, a pencil. In my case, I'm using a skewer, and that pretty much has a ballpoint, so I'm using that. Now, when you're doing your dots, as you can see, gel paint kind of strings. So before you move on to the next dot, in order to keep them nice and clean, wait till it's finished doing that little string and then move on, so that way it's not any gel. It doesn't look messy. It's just nice and clean and perfect. Do as many dots as you desire. Once complete, you can leave it matte or you can gloss it up. But thank you for watching PLÆ Professional Nail Systems CopyKat tutorial. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel or share this video with any of your fellow nail techs.